Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. 1.1.3 Characteristics of living things. Growth. The growth of an organism is seen as an increase in size and weight, resulting from the use of food to further develop structures in the organism.
Movement. All living things show some kinds of movements. This is more obvious in animals since they have organs of movements or locomotion. Movements in plants mainly take place inside the cells, although some results from a stimulus such as light.
Irritability. Living things respond to stimulus. The stimulus can be any changes in the environment, light, sound, touch, temperature, which brings about a reaction in an organism due to a sensitivity to the stimulus. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.